Hi friends, I'm Pooja. Today I'm come up with a topic on Excel automation. As you know already, in previous session I already explained you how to use Excel formulas using UiPath and how to sum of column in Excel using UiPath. I hope Excel automation is a never-ending story, right? Alright. In today's session, I'm going to explain you how to filter data table using UiPath. Now I will show you how to achieve this. This is my Excel sheet. I already took three columns like product ID, product name and price. In product name, I took so many type of items like watch, clock, mobile, table, card, corporate like this. In manually, how we can filter the data? Now I will show you. Here I will click. If you want to select the item, you will check the box. If you don't want to that item, you will uncheck the box. Right, in this way you filter the data manually. But now I will tell you how to convert this table in UiPath and how to filter the data using UiPath tool. Before going to that, I already convert this into table format. Now I will show you how to convert this into table format. Go to insert. Here is table. You can click on that. Otherwise, the shortcut method is Control plus T. By this way also, you can convert those data into table format. Coming to UiPath Studio, take one sequence. Take one Excel application scope. Here you need to give the path of the Excel. Then search for filter table. Here filter table is there and filter data table is there. I will tell you both the things. How filter table will work, how filter data table will work. As of now, you took filter table. Here we need to give the sheet name. Here I take the sheet name as product. So here you need to give the sheet name as product. Here you need to give the table name. If you want to know the table name, then you just click on that any cell in the table and just click on the design tab. Here you can find your table name. My table name is table 1. So here I need to give table name as table 1. In column name, you want to give in which column you are going to filter. So I will give you the column name as product name. Here I need to do the filtration. The first and foremost thing is here in filter options, you need to enter which item you want to filter. So in curly braces, you can give whatever the item you want to filter. Just give OK. Now save this. Why we are giving filtration means I take the item name as watch, right? Watch is repeated so many times like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why I'm making the filtration. Just close this. Save this, let's run. After successful finish of this, let's check whether the filtration has happened or not. See here, I gave the item name as watch. So the repeated watch item is 5. So it is filtered like this. In this way, we can make a filter by using filter table. Now I will show you how to use filter data table. Just delete this. Take Excel application scope. Here we need to give the path of the Excel. Take one read range activity. Here you need to give the sheet name, that is product. In properties panel, you need to give the output data table, that is read dt. After this, you take filter data table. In filter wizard, here you need to give the input data table, that is read dt. And here in the output data table, you have to create one new data table. Control K, that is filter dt. In filter rows filtering mode, you can keep it as keep. In the column name, you can give product name. In operation, I select contains because it is much convenient. In value, you can give it as watch. Click OK, and now you take one right range activity. Here take sheet name, whatever sheet name you want. If it is not available in the Excel, it will only create. Then here you need to give the output data table, that is filter dt. Just save this. Let's run. See here, it will only create the sheet sheet name, and the filtration has happened for watch. In this way, you can use filter data table. Hope you understand what is the difference between filter table and filter data table. This video is helpful for beginners. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.